Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we are going to see how you can enter the vendor balances in QuickBooks Desktop. So if this is the first video you're watching on our channel, we have a complete playlist that you can check out from the description. And without wasting any time, let's get started with this video.
Now we will enter vendor balances. It is exactly the same procedure as we have done in customer details. We will simply go on home tab, click vendor option, then create new vendors. Same interface is there. New vendor. Just mention the vendor name, that is Danial. Balance is 100,000 as of 1st of January 2018. And second vendor is Shahid. His balance is 2,50,000, and we are done. Now I will not show in this video or the next one how to make corrections in vendor balances, because it is exactly the same as we have done in customer details. We'll just close it. I'll show you the control account total balance. Go to the home tab, click on this chart of accounts. Now you will notice you will see one new ledger, that is accounts payable, and its total balance is 3,50,000, which is the total of these two individual balances. That means as soon as we enter vendor individual balances, control accounts will automatically get updated. So this is how we enter vendor balances. Now in the next video we will move on stock balances.